Hi, and thanks for joining me today on this tour of one of Georgetown Manor's beautiful second-floor apartments in South Williamsport, PA. Today we're visiting a two-bedroom apartment at 360 Girio Terrace. Here's a view of the steps up to the front door. There's a coat closet here entering the front door to the spacious living room. This unit is 950 square feet total. Now let's check out the eat-in kitchen. The appliances you see here are included with the apartment, and these countertops have been recently remodeled. This kitchen is large enough for a table, and there's also a pantry for additional storage we'll see here in a minute. Another view of the great living room space here. Here's the in-unit laundry room. These appliances are supplied and serviced by our on-site maintenance team. Moving down the hallway, we have the fully renovated bathroom, complete with extra wide vanity, built-in medicine cabinet / mirror, and modern light fixtures. There's a linen closet right next to the bathroom for extra storage space. Let's move into the master bedroom. This room is about 140 square feet with a large walk-in closet. This is the other bedroom, just a little smaller at about 100 square feet, with a closet as well. Here's a fantastic view looking out the back deck. These beautiful wooden decks were just replaced. This would be a perfect spot for relaxing in a lounge chair during the warmer months. Thanks so much for stopping by for a virtual tour. If you'd like to join our community, please visit us at georgetownmanorpa.com or view the information in the description box below. Please hit the like button and subscribe to get notified when new tour videos are posted. If you want to tour more of our apartments, please check out the playlist on the bottom right. We hope you decide to make Georgetown Manor your home.